So I'll be showing you two more functions. So this one we are going to do the count function and the count A. So we write a count function, then here we are going to have our is equals, then we have our count, double click. So when you don't understand what a function does, so it's always advisable you click on this FX button for it to open this function argument window, and it can tell you what the function really does. So count function, it counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So it's going to count the number of cells which have numbers. So what we want is this range. We are going to highlight, then click OK. So it gives us a 5. So we can just hit here and drag to give us the same number. So the other one we are going to do is count A. So we come here and we have our is equals count. Instead of now count, we are going to hit count A, then go to our arguments, the function arguments. So what it does, it counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So when we hit OK, so we never give it a range. So we are going to give it a range here, then we are going to hit OK. So it still gives us 5, but same. Let me show you how these two are different. So we had that, okay. So what happens? They both change to 4 because the count function gives us the number of cells which have numbers, and in this range there are 4. But the count A functions also gives us 4. It counts the number of cells which are not empty. So there are four cells which are not empty. But say we had these on as values. That, see, now the count still gives us 4 because it is giving us the number of cells which have numbers. The numbers are 700, 1750, and 400. But for the count A functions, it gives us the number of cells which are not empty. This one contains a text value, but it's not empty. That's why in the count A, it's returning a value of 5. Okay. So I'm gonna delete that. I don't remember what that was, but I'm going to give you another function just for the sake of it. Count blank. Okay. Then we're going to have our is equals here. Count blank. You probably have guessed what it does. Go to our arguments. Then count blanks, it counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. So we are going to highlight this and then hit OK. So it gives us 1. So it tells us the count A gives us 4, count A gives us 4, the count blank gives us 1, since there's one empty cell in our range. So that's it for count A and count blank.